Good morning, it's nice to meet you again. Okay, this time we are going to solve a question about your homework. Okay. You know that I gave you homework in the last lesson, that is x1 raised 4 plus x2 raised 4. Okay, now from this question, we know that we have the quadratic equation from bracket x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals to 0. We have the quadratic equation x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, to answer this question, I'm going to answer your homework, that is x, okay, x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4. So, what is the value of this? Okay. To answer this, as in the last lesson, you know that we have x1, okay, x1, x2, or ab equals to minus b over a equals to minus b minus, we have here b minus 2, okay, right? Negative 2 over 1, okay, equals to 2, right? Okay, and then x1 plus x2, okay. And then x1 x2 equals to c over a equals to c, we have here c minus 3, right? Minus 3 over 1, okay, equals to minus 3. So we have x1 plus x2 equals to minus b over a equals to 2, and x1 x2 equals to c over a, that is minus 3 over 1 equals to minus 3. Okay, and then from here we have that from x1 power 4 plus x power 4, I think to make it easier, we must use the principle of that Pascal triangle. Okay, you know that is from this, you know that x1 plus x2 in bracket square equals to x1 square plus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square, right? And then here, if we have x1 plus x2, okay, power 3, okay, it's gonna be x1 power 3, and then you add up this 1 plus 2 is 3 x1 square x2 plus, and you also add up here 2 plus 1 is 3 x1 x2 square, okay, plus x2 power 3. And then if x1 plus x2 power 4 is gonna be x1 power 4, you add up this 1 plus 3 is 4, right? 4 x1 power 3 x2, and then you add up here 3 plus 3 is 6, right? Okay, 6. Okay, and then after this power 4, and then power 3, and then next is power 2, x1 power 2 and x2 power 2, right? Okay, and then when we from here, we the power of x1 we subtract by 1, and power of 2 we add it plus 1, okay, and then plus 3 plus 1 is 4, right? 4 x1 x2 power 3 and plus x2 power 4. Okay, from this, and then here we have x1 power 4 and x2 power 4. We classify this x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4. We have here 4x1 power 3 x2 power 4x1 power 3 x2, and we also have here 4x1 x2 power 3. We classify this, we classify together, plus 4x1 power 3 x2 plus 4x1 x2 power 3, okay, plus 6x1 power 2 x2 power 2. From this we can, okay, I think we can factorize this, okay. It's gonna be 4, okay, you pay attention to this. So it's gonna be 4, okay, x1 x2 times x1 square plus x2 square, right? I'm sorry, x2 square. Okay, so 4x1 x2 times x1 power 3 is 4x1 power 3 x2, and then 4x1 x2 times x2 power 3 is 4x1 x2 power 3, and then here from here we can also factorize this plus 6x1 x2 square, right? Okay, you know that a power 3 times b power, I'm sorry, a power 2 b times b power 2 is gonna be a b power 2, right? Okay, then after this we have, after we have this, so we have here x1, okay, x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4. So we have from x1 plus x2 power 4, it's it's the same with x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4, okay, sorry, and then plus 4x1 x2 times x1 power 2 plus x2 power 2 plus 6x1 x2 in bracket square. Okay, we have only here x1 power 4 and x2 power 4. Okay then, and then after that we just substitute the value of x1 plus x2 and x1 and x2. Okay, we have, so because of after we expand x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4, it equals to x1 power 4, I'm sorry, x1 power 4 plus x power 4 plus 4x1 x2 times x1 power 2 plus x2 power 2 in brackets, okay, plus 6x1 and x2. Of course, we subtracted by this, okay, we subtracted by 4x1 x2 in bracket x1 square plus x2 square close in bracket plus 6x1 x2 in bracket square. Okay, so we just here we have here, okay, we have make the the same, we must make the both sides the same with the right side. So it's gonna be x1 plus x2 in brackets, I'm sorry, power 4 minus 4, okay, 4x1 x2 x times, okay, x1 square plus x2 square, okay, minus 6x1 x2 square. Okay, after we make after we expand this, we just substitute the value of the value of the x1 plus x2 and x1 and x2. You know that x1 plus x2 is 2, right? Okay, 2, okay, power 4 minus 4, x1 x2 is minus 3, right? Minus 3, and maybe x1 square plus x2 square, because that we must find the value again. Okay, you know that here, okay, x1 plus x2 power 4 minus 4x1 x2 times x1 square plus x2 square minus 6 times x1 x2 in bracket square power 2. Okay, so we have here x1 plus x2, we have here the value of x1 plus x2 is 2, right? 2 power 4, okay, and then 4 x1 x2 is minus 3, okay, and we have here x1 square plus x2 square. Okay, we don't have here, we just also find out first the value of x1 square plus x2 square. But here x1 square plus x2 square, it equals to x1 plus x2 in bracket square minus 2 x1 and x2. We have here x1 x2 is the same with 2 square minus 2 x1 x2 is minus 3. We have here 4 minus 2 times minus 3 is 6, right? Plus 6 equals to 10, right? Okay, just substitute here equals to 10, right? Okay, minus 6 x1 x2 is minus 3 square, right? Okay, and then after this we just sum. We just add up this all the value of the number. Okay, so it's gonna be 2 power 4 is 16, right? And then 4 times 3 is 12 times 10 is plus 100 20, right? Okay, and then here minus 3 square is 9, right? Minus 3, sorry, minus 3 square is 9, times minus 6 is minus 50, 54, right? Okay, once again we check. Okay, 2 power 4 is 16, and then negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12, right? Times 10 is 120, and we have here 6. Okay, 6. Okay, you know that when we have that the number in the brackets, we finish first in the brackets, in the brackets with the exponent. Okay, we have here minus 3 exponent 2 is power 2 is 9. 9 times minus 6 is minus 4. I think this means just add up this. Okay, this we have 166, right? Minus 54 is going to be 6 minus 4 is 2, right? Okay, and then 13 minus 5 is 8, right? So we have, okay, so we have the value of x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4 is 82. I think it's very simple if you know the formula of the question. As you know that x1 power 4 plus x power 4 is, you know that x1, okay, you know when we expand this, it's gonna be we change, go back to this, x1 plus x2 power 4, it's gonna be x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4 plus 4x1 cube x2 plus 4x1 x2 cube plus 6x1 power 2 x2 power 2. Because of the only x1 power 4 plus x2 power 4, we must subtract by 4x1 x2 in brackets, x1 power 2 plus x1 power 2 in brackets, and then minus 6 times x1 x2 power 2. Okay, I think that's all. I hope this is very helpful for you to answer the question about quadratic equation, and I hope you enjoy my video and you have a question, or when you don't understand, or when you have another answer or another opinion about the question, about we have different answer, we can share. We can discuss together. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye.